Morning, lovely day for it. 100% of the dog walkers this morning and last night speak English with English accents. Strange little pocket of England here. Another lazy day. I'm only going to head 20 or 30 kilometres, but I think it's on quite rough tracks like this along the coast. But I have all the time in the world in Cyprus. This is a revelation for me. I don't need to do 80 kilometres a day. You can see quite deep into this cave here. Wow, there's so many of them. So many bananas here. I didn't know Europe even grew bananas. Under the grapevines, I'm spending the last of my Patreon cash for October on a muffin with halloumi, egg, cheese and bacon. Hello. How are you doing in there? These little piles of rocks. This beach better be worth it. A couple of cars turned back at the last, whatever that thing is. So there should be fewer people down there. It's not an easy ride. Spectacularly beautiful beach, which the development that the finished road is going to bring is undoubtedly going to change. Positioning the camera very carefully because this beach is evidently a nudist beach. So I'm going to see if I'm brave enough for a little nudie dip. This is next to impossible to film. If I keep the camera tilted like that, we should be safe. Last time I went for a nudie dip was in Australia, and there was a really strong rip right as I was exiting, and I couldn't get up. I kept getting smashed back down into the sand, and a naked man had to come and help me up out of like a foot of water. Very embarrassing. This is a lot more chilled. There's no camping on the beach, but I guess I could have camped here
except I don't have the supplies at this point. So that's the end of the track really, as far as the west coast goes. After here, it's just footpaths. So it's back the way I came, about 5 or 6 k's. This campsite was recommended by Peter. I think he said he swam around the island, but I have no urge to do that. But I am going to have my dinner early because I haven't really eaten since breakfast, and take the opportunity to actually see what I'm eating for a change. Also, I'm not completely sure about putting the tent up until it's a little bit darker. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy sunset from here. What a nice spot. Cheers. What a sunset. It's 5:15, almost time to put up the tent.